Does your Windows PC feel slow even when you are not running anything heavy? You open Task Manager and suddenly your RAM is almost full, but you have no idea what is using it. Here is the interesting part. Windows is actually holding your memory in a hidden cache, and with one click, you can free all of it. In this video, I will show you a 100% official Microsoft method to clear that memory and make your PC feel fast again.
So here is what is really going on.
Windows 10 and 11 use something called a standby list. Basically, it stores files in RAM that your system thinks you might need later. Sounds useful, right? But here's the problem. Sometimes Windows does not release that memory when you actually need it. That is when your system slows down, games start lagging, your browser freezes, and everything just feels heavy. Now, instead of using random apps from unknown websites, we are going to use an official tool from Microsoft called RamMap. Open your browser and search for RamMap Microsoft. Make sure you open the official Microsoft website. Click on Download. It will come as a small zip file. Right-click the zip file and click Extract All. Open the folder and double-click RamMap. No installation needed. Just allow the permissions and you are in. Before cleaning, let us see your current memory. Right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to Performance and then Memory. Look at the cache memory. You might see something like 1 GB, 2 GB, or even more sitting there doing nothing useful for you right now. This is the main step, so pay attention. Go back to RamMap. Click on Empty at the top, then click Empty Standby List. Now watch your Task Manager. Just like that, all that cache memory is cleared instantly. Feels good, does it not? Now your RAM is free again. Your system has more space to work, and everything feels faster and smoother. Exactly what I promised at the beginning. You can use this trick anytime your PC starts slowing down. Now I am curious. How much memory did you free? 2 GB? 5? Even more? Comment below and let me know. If this helped you out, do me a favor and like the video. Also, if you want more simple tricks like this, go ahead and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.